Hey guys, how's it going? It is Ultra Raj, and in today's video, we're actually gonna be taking a look at something a little bit different today. We're gonna be going over my Filelinked store and my website, and how you guys can get your hands on the best apps, the latest news in the tech world, the best product reviews, and the best way to simplify and improve your setup. First, I just want to say a huge thanks to the 10,000 subscribers we did reach. We're at 12,000 now. So let's just take a minute, and guys, thank you so much for tuning into my videos. You don't know how much it means to me. Every time I see those views go up, every time I see the likes go up, and more importantly, every time I see you guys interacting with the videos and posting those comments, it is absolutely amazing to see. Without further ado, let's head over into my Filelinked store. And here it is. Here's going to be the Adfree App Store, guys. In my previous tutorials, you've seen this, but I've never really gone over it properly. So here we go. The home of tons of fully working, and here's the best thing. They're all ad-free. And that's the thing you guys are going to love. All ad-free. I've got the tutorials right on my channel. The link's right here. You know, it could not be easier. You know, dismiss the message and dive in, guys. It's a 3-meter deep pool. 3 meters deep worth of apps. Just take a look. It goes down and down. Probably lower than the ocean, guys, but seriously, there you go. Look at all this. You can just press dismiss when that comes up, but just look at all of this, all ad-free, the latest versions as well, you know. And the best thing is you've got all the logos down the side, a description of every app. You've got the links are all fully working. I guarantee you not one of these links is down, because I maintain them and I do actually host these links. Because nothing's worse than going to a Filelinked store and you go, oh, this is broken, that's broken, this is broken. No one wants to see that, right? Everyone wants to see the links fully working, and that's what you're going to get here, guys. Look, you've even got a VPN here. You know, we have a paid VPN and a free VPN. So the best of both worlds, you know. Even though I am with IPVanish and I do promote their VPN and I use their VPN, I know some of you guys can't afford it, and that's why you've got Atom VPN right at the bottom here. So fear not, guys. If you do need a VPN, pick this one up. If you do need the best free VPN, do pick up Atom VPN. I'm going to be doing a review on that one very soon. So I'm just going to head back to the top. You can filter your results here in the search bar, but this is actually organized in a very specific way. Here it is. So the first one is the paid IPTV app, the best paid IPTV app in my opinion. It is $10 a month, not $5. I do have to change that. So for $10 a month, you get 1,500 channels, mostly in HD, no buffering. Guys, that link is going to be down below in the description. IPTV Smart as Pro for you guys with other IPTV services that do need an app to make those work. STB Emulator, again, Pro, ad-free, latest. So these are the players and paid IPTV apps. Here, the next one is a paid VPN, IPVanish VPN. Get yourself an amazing discount down below, guys. You don't want to miss out. It is one of the best VPNs. Guys, http://ultraraj.net/IPVanish. And then here are the media players. So you got Yes Player, MX Player, and V Player, obviously all Pro. And then we come to our movie APKs. A to Z Movie, TV Xeon, all the ones here. I've still kept Terrarium here just for old time's sake. You never know, it might start working again. Who knows? You know what? Best to be safe than sorry, right? Movie Play Red was working, but unfortunately that is no longer working. But it might, you know, again, pick back up. Fingers crossed, eh? But Showbox, yeah, all your major apps. Beautiful, beautiful, and beautiful. Now we move on to that live IPTV section. TV Guide. It's a great app, this one. I haven't reviewed it yet. It's basically a Kodi fork, but as soon as you launch it, it launches into a TV Guide loaded with a bunch of apps to play your channels. Mobdro as usual, top notch. Empire G10, VSAT, good. All the usual ones, all ad-free. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then I've put BBC iPlayer in case you are watching BBC iPlayer abroad and you do need the app, or for some reason you can't install it on your box. Google Chrome in case, you know, always good to have a backup. And there's Atom VPN. So that's the store. That's how it's always going to be laid out. Obviously, always free. There's never going to be a pin on this store. I don't believe in pins. No one wants, trust me. I mean, who wants to go to a website and refresh the page to find a pin, okay? And I know what people are going to say, spam and all that. And that's fine. That's up to them. But for me, you know, we like to keep it buttery smooth here. And I want you guys to just go in and download at will. So finally, in streaming heaven. This is streaming heaven. But really, that's all there is to this. But my second treat of the day is actually my website. And the second amazing thing I do want to show you today is the new website I have launched, guys. ultraraj.net, home of media streaming tutorials and tech product reviews, guys. Later on the channel, once we hit about 20k, I'm going to be doing more product reviews, streaming product reviews, obviously. You know, we're going to keep the content mostly the same, but we're going to be getting into more products, tips and tricks, so definitely stay tuned for that, because you really don't want to miss some top-notch tricks, right? You know? But there you go, site. Get ready to have the best setup ever. The right here. Here are my personal favorite tutorials that I have right here. These are going to be the latest that have just been posted. Here, I'm going to be posting my top 5 media streaming apps of the month and top 5 streaming media products of the year with reviews and discounted purchase links. Guys, make sure you do go to GearBest and get yourself a great deal on the new products, new Android boxes, new gadgets. They have it all. Make sure you do hit that link in the description to get yourself a top-notch discount on the best tech. And the other thing I do want to mention is make sure to the newsletter, guys. When you head over to the website, it's going to pop up with if you want to subscribe to the newsletter. Guys, make sure you do, because once we get a couple more people on this newsletter platform, I'm going to be mailing you guys every week of the best apps, you know, because I can't post every app on YouTube. So the best new media streaming apps that have just come out and that I've tried and tested, the best media streaming product of the month, the best tech product of the month, and what is happening in the tech world. So make sure you don't miss on that. Exclusive free downloads are waiting for you in your mailbox. But there is more. We've got media streaming and APKs. This simplifies everything. So if you want to go, and here's specific media streaming. So if you do want to narrow it, here it is. And here's your video. You press here, you're gonna play. There's gonna be my computer is real. To download file link, there's a direct link here, so you can click that, download the file linked code. Beautiful, guys. Here are going to be more media streaming tutorials right here. And again, you can subscribe to the newsletter. We've only done the one product review yet, so we're going to be working on more of these after we hit 20k. But this is how this is going to look like. It's going to fill up fast. Tweet, subscribe. Make sure you do both of those. And there's a newsletter. And if you guys do have any really personal questions, or you don't want to comment down in the description of the videos, make sure you do contact me using this contact form. I do respond very quickly as well. And guys, the last page on the website, one of my most important pages, I think, especially in today's world, saying safe while streaming. And this is going to explain simply how VPN works, how you can get a VPN, and the best VPN at the best price. Guys, make sure you do get it. ultraraj.net/IPVanish. Highly recommend it. Do not miss out. But there you go, guys. That is my site and Filelinked store. We've got plenty of more great content coming up. If there's something you want to talk to me about, contact me, post it in the comments, DM me on Twitter. Make sure you are actually subscribed to the channel as well. Make sure you're following my Twitter and check out my Instagram for some nice photography. All right, there we go. So next episode, I'm going to be back with another banger, guys. We're going to be back with the next best APK. I've got a couple more APKs lined up here, so you don't want to miss out. And on that note, take it easy, guys.